I'm Hello Rodney. Thanks for clicking on my video. Well, we're going to go outside. Oh man, it is a little bit of mud out here too. What we're going to go look at is this thing over here, this column that I put up that got blown down. It was leaning. It's been up for a long time. I mean, a long time, and it got blown down. You can see how it was tilted. So this is going to get put back up, but it's going to be in this state for a while. So it's okay. What the hell? Yeah, this thing experienced some more damage as well. I mean, the winds were unbelievable. I mean, it was a tremendous amount of wind. So it's not windy right now. I could come out and start working on this thing. Maybe I'll do that. Not sure. But this post right here, I got put up the other day, and that's what he's bracing that section right there. Wow. A lot of wind. Wow. Yeah. No concrete. I don't want to put any concrete on this. I just want to see if I can get it to stand up without it blowing down. But this, I'll work with it. Definitely work with it. This post right here is stable. Yeah. My neighbor, he has a construction company. So we shall see what happens. What a process over here. I'm not sure what's going to be the result. Nobody knows. Nobody knows the results, really. People think, oh, well, this is what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen. A lot of times it doesn't happen that way. We got things falling from the sky. I don't know if you can see that. We got little bits of snow coming down right now. If you can see those little flickering. I mean, I've never seen it come down like this. It's just little pieces of snow coming down. And that one's blowing up. That's kind of interesting. There's the sun right there. Might see some little flickering. That's little tiny snowflakes coming down. The yard doesn't look like it's very organized, but it is getting that way. I like this. This is my column of rusty cans. I mean, they're just, to me, they're absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. That one's full of ice. Not full of ice, but there's some ice in it. And you're probably thinking, Rodney, throw those away. No, I'm not. I like them. How many people have a column of rusty cans in their yard? Well, Rodney, who would want that? Well, I would. The top fell off of this thing too. I've got a lot of work to do here, but it's okay. I'm happy about living out here. It's, I mean, I wish it was closer to Albuquerque, actually. But when it's nice and quiet out here, it's beautiful. Peaceful. As a dog barks in the background. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Miller Rodney, thanks for watching and bye-bye.